watching TVS, Television Simulator.
Alright, in this video we're going to show how to get set up with a development environment for Television Simulator. It's a little bit different than the quick start that I was showing you because you're going to be using a different program to run the live server. You're going to be using a program called Visual Studio Code. If you've done any development before, you're probably familiar with it and you might already have it installed, but if you don't, I just find it to be an easy way to work when you're developing everything here. So if you open up a web browser and go search for VS Code, you'll find it, Visual Studio Code. And I'm just going to go download it real quick. You download it for Windows, Mac, etc. Alright, so we've installed Visual Studio Code, and what we're going to do is we're going to go File, Open Folder, and we're going to go find the folder that we have the Television Simulator files on. So this one, select folder, open it up, say yes, I trust the authors, and now what we're going to do is install an extension called Live Server. So if you click on extensions, you might find it here already. There it is actually. But I'm just going to search Live Server. And here it is. So you do that, install it, and now it's installed. So if you remember in the previous video, I showed how to get a static web server running. This is also a static web server. But the difference is when you save files, like if you're in this configuration file and you save it, then the page will automatically reload, which is pretty neat. So once you have everything installed and you've opened up the TVS folder, click on Go Live, click Allow, and then it should show up here under 127.0.0.1.5500, which is the live server running on your computer. I'm just going to put it over here on the side, and then I'm going to put the VS Code over here. If we just close it out, you'll see when we're in the configuration file, if we were to edit this and just say hello YouTube and then save it, what the live server does is reload the page immediately, which is pretty neat. So I'm just going to show one other example here. I'm just going to scroll down. We're going to go to channel 140 over here in TVS, so enter in 140. And you can see this is a real simple example. It's just a solid color blue. So we're going to change this to a different color like cyan. And as soon as you save it, then the channel updates over here, and that way you can like make changes, save them, and see what they are immediately. So that's how you get set up with a basic development environment.